CySEC or the Central Bank of Cyprus?
Well, the single biggest challenge any investment services, payment services, crypto asset services venture is going to face coming to Cyprus and they wish to become regulated under CySEC or CBC. The biggest challenge is the jurisdiction's popularity. There are a number of reasons why Cyprus is now under, let's say, enormous interest by a number of stakeholders. Very interesting business models that we're witnessing, and that's it deserves a whole, separate discussion. But the fact is that there is huge demand for new fintechs to establish themselves in Cyprus, and this has caused two things. One, it has forced the regulators, CySEC for investment and crypto asset services and CBC for payment services, to become much more demanding in the fitness and properness of the UBOs, of the proposed directors, their backgrounds, much more demanding in the organizational structure that these licensed entities will have, the number of people that will hold responsible positions in key departments. And not to be negative, this increased scrutiny by the regulators is not coming without an upside, because what we're seeing firsthand is that there are now groups that find this new phase of more demanding regulatory requests from Cyprus appealing, because they do have the capacity, one of your favorite words, they do have the capacity, and they do believe in a regulator that is slowly being forced by market forces to become more demanding in filtering out different practices. So that has the positive. And then the other thing that this popularity has caused, and it's making it challenging for anyone coming on the island, is recruitment. So Cyprus, yes, we boast that we have a multinational, multilingual, multidiscipline talent pool, very adept in the online business ecosystem. But all these new entrants will need to effectively compete with existing fintechs in recruiting for the different positions. So that's making recruitment much more challenging, finding, that specific person you're looking for with that specific niche knowledge. And because nothing is static, again, this increased employability on the island is attractive to a number of talents that are coming on the island. So the biggest challenge is that at the moment, Cyprus is extremely popular. There is a huge line of brands you know and brands you've never heard of that wish to establish themselves on the island. They do face these two implications, that they're going to face a much more strict and much more demanding regulator, and also they're going to be a bit more challenging in terms of how they're going to go about recruiting talent. But both of these may present a great opportunity for Cyprus to, increase its credibility and its already talented talent pool.
I like the fact that the question started with a challenge and you close your answer with opportunity.
I'm an eternal optimist.